Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm partnering with Picture Polish to swatch 6 of their brand new polish shades. Picture Polish is an awesome brand that is vegan, cruelty-free, and free of toxic chemicals. They also do amazing collaborations and have tons of unique and high-quality polishes. So let's get started. First up is Princess, which is a soft pink with subtle holographic flakes and golden sparks. For each swatch, I'm applying 2 coats and no top coat. All of these shades use flakes or a scatter hollow, so removal is really easy, unlike glitter. I love the formula for these polishes, the coverage is great, and I also love how it dries nice and smooth. Now we have Fancy, which is a peony pink. If you'd like to check out more content like up-close photo swatches of these polishes, be sure to visit my blog at hannahrocksit.com. This one is called Eternal, which is a pretty tangerine orange. Make sure to leave a comment letting me know which ones you like best. Fresh is a super bright lime green. I love this one for summer. Next up is Destiny, which is an Arctic blue to green shade. Also, don't forget to check out Picture Polish's website to see all of their awesome polishes. I'll be sure to link it below. And last but not least is Royal, which is a vibrant purple. So that does it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to find me on social so you can tag all your nail pictures. I'd love to see them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!